Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if search bars is not showing up on your Windows and you have to search from here instead of here, so in this video I will show you how to fix this issue easily. So this is basically not the issue, this is the setting you need to change. So how to change it? You need to right click on your taskbar, then click on taskbar settings, and once you see the taskbar setting here, you can see here search option, it is hide. But if you want to see it search box here, so simply you can see here, now you should able to search from here. And if you want to hide it, there are some options as well here, more options, but generally I keep this setting, or search icon only, you can keep it like this. So this is how guys, I hope this video helps you, and this is quick fix. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.